This is the part 2. Um, there is the link of part 1 in description box. You can watch that, or you can simply go to my channel and then search for the latest video of part 1. So, types of intelligence. Intelligence is of many kinds depending upon the proficiency a person has. Howard Gardner is an American developmental physiologist who describes intelligence in multifold as linguistic intelligence. It is the ability to speak. To bolna means I used Hindi because there is no another word to speak that I know. It can be described also, but you will be more familiar with Hindi to speak to bolna. Okay, recognize and use mechanisms of phonology. Speech sound. Speech sound is like I'm speaking like this now. Now I'm speaking like this. And when the horror movie comes, I can't talk about the horror movie. Let's forget that. Um, so speech sounds, syntax is grammar, and semantics means meaning of definition, etc. Examples of linguistic intelligence are narrators who narrate and orators who listen. Second, musical intelligence is the ability to create, communicate with, and understand the meaning made of sound. Understanding of pitch, rhythm. Example of musical intelligence are musicians, singers, and composers. I think I should highlight the text to make you more comfortable. So wait, I think now you can learn comfortably. Actually, I'm using a phone to record, so it would be difficult for me to write on the phone. So let's do it. Musical intelligence is the ability to create, communicate with, and understand the meaning made of sound, understanding of pitch, rhythm, and so I repeat musical intelligence. I am referring to this box. Musical intelligence is the ability to create, communicate with, and understand the meanings made of sound, understanding pitch, rhythm. Examples of musical intelligence are musicians, singers, and composers. So now let's move on the logical mathematical intelligence. Yeah, we are referring to this box now. I think it would be time consuming, to better understanding, I am creating this. Logical mathematical intelligence is the ability to use, understand the complex and abstract ideas and relationships in the absence of options or objects. I forgot to tell you something like I will send you the link through comment box or a PDF of this to make more easier so that you can understand it better. Is the ability to use and understand. I have explained this, so let's move on to the next topic. Spatial intelligence. I wasn't there in here, like I forgot that. Sorry for wasting the time. Spatial intelligence is the ability to perceive visual or spatial information. Visual means visual representation, like I'm representing you with these boxes. Change it, or like I'm changing this box to any other thing. And recreate visual images, like I'm creating a cuboid here. So it would be difficult for me to draw a cuboid on the phone. So, but I would try. Like here is this. So here is a cuboid. The lines are not that perfect, but I still managed to draw. So to recreate visual images, this is a visual image. this whole. To construct 3D image, this is also a 3D image. To move, like I can't move it right now, but in computer there is an option to move the image or rotate the image. The examples of spatial intelligence are map readers, astronauts, and physicists. So now we'll come to bodily kinesthetic intelligence, ability to use the complete or part of body, like you are using the hand, like I'm using the hand to draw. Let's say this is an hand. It is not an hand, but let's say this is a leg. These are the two legs. The leg are not round perfectly, but then also like here the face, etc. So ability to use the complete or the part of the body to solve problems and to control the fine and coarse motor skills. Example of bodily kinesthetic intelligence are players and dancers like basketball players, football players, etc. Intrapersonal intelligence, ability to distinguish among one's own emotions, intentions, and motivations. Example of intrapersonal intelligence are people like cotton wood. So, is the ability to distinguish among one's own emotion, like I'm sad or I'm happy. Here is the eyes and here is the nose. So he is sad. He is sad. We will say interpersonal, but we are saying intrapersonal in our own emotions. Like he is sad and he is crying. Like means I'm sad and I'm crying. Like this. Like I'm crying. Okay. So I can recognize or I can distinguish my own emotion, intention, and motivation. Intention means I am thinking what, or motivation means to motivate basically. I think you are big enough with no motivation, but still you don't know, then comment me in the comment box and I can write or send you a proper definition of motivation. So, intrapersonal intelligence is the ability to distinguish one's own emotions, intentions, and motivations. The example are the people like Cottonwood. I think you all know who is Cottonwood. So, 7 point is interpersonal intelligence. It is inter means ability, like he is crying here. So, I can distinguish that he is happy or he is sad or he is crying or he is turning angry. I thought, let's draw a human figure only. Means it is not perfect that, but I think it is better than that. So let's say he is so happy. So I can distinguish his emotion that he is happy. But if he is sad, then I can also distinguish that he is sad. So it is the interpersonal intelligence. It made me very difficult to write on the phone or to draw on the phone. Interpersonal intelligence. So let's move to the another part. To a machine is said to be artificial intelligence if it has any of the intelligence discussed above. It is considered to be artificial intelligence if it has linguistic intelligence, musical intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, spatial intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, interpersonal intelligence. If it has any of these, then a machine is said to be artificial intelligence. That is, to understand this, we need to find the difference between natural or human and and artificial or machine intelligence. So here, let's see the difference between human and artificial intelligence. I think a machine is watching me on this video, a robot is watching me. But the video is not so famous that robots can watch. Sophia, I think there's a humanoid robot. Sophia can also watch my video, but still my video is not so famous to reach you all. So please subscribe to my channel. It would be like this, a button here, and it would be an arrow or anything like, and it would be written that subscribe. So human intelligence and machine intelligence. Human perceive the patterns means human understand the patterns easily, but machines perceive by set of rules and data. Machines have to search that rule or data, and it can, not he, she, it can find any of the thing its mind. Why I don't know why I'm saying this. It is it. Humans store and recall information by patterns. For example, the number 40404040 is easy to remember than 98123567, etc. Okay, so 404040 is easily to remember, store, and recall as it is pattern is simple. Machine has the memory that can store and recall all the information by searching algorithms. Human can figure out the complete object even if some part of it is missing or distorted. Machine find it difficult to complete or figure out the missing part of an object and can't do it correctly. Like if there is a pizza, like if say here is a pizza and one part of this part is missing. Let me highlight it with white. Let me highlight with black. So like this part is missing. So if this part is missing, this part that I'm highlighting with black now, it is not entirely highlighted. Please wait a minute till then I can highlight it. We can find that it is a pizza and we can find this black highlighted part, right? But machines find it difficult to complete this missing figure. To complete this missing circle, to show the slices, let's do like this. Yeah. Okay. So we will learn the next topic in our next part. And actually, it is a very long till here. It is a very long chapter. So I would find it difficult to cover whole chapter, but I will send all the videos till the date of October. Till October, I can send all the videos as my exams are going right now. So, difference between human machine intelligence. I've covered this. I think I should cover the inductive reasoning also. Inductive reasoning contains specific observations to make the broad general statements, but deductive reasoning as opposite. Starts with a general statement and examine all the possibilities to reach a specific and logical conclusion. Inductive reasoning, for example, Ram is a teacher, Ram is studious, therefore all teachers are studious. It is basically a general statement that Ram is teacher, Ram is studious, all teachers are studious. But deductive reasoning, all women of the age above 60 years. It is a general statement, but we reach to a specific conclusion here. Therefore, Sita is a grandmother. But the inductive reasoning takes us to a broad general statement. Let's forget examine the possibilities, etc. Simply understand in Hindi. Yeah. Simply understand in Hindi. Like I would like to speak Hindi if you give the permission because I think that so sorry for speaking in Hindi, but still कि एक छोटी सी ऑब्जर्वेशन से इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग स्टार्ट होती है और वो बहुत मतलब ब्रॉड जनरल स्टेटमेंट बन जाती है। और डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग क्या होती है, वो बहुत ब्रॉड जनरल स्टेटमेंट से स्टार्ट होती है और स्पेसिफिक कंक्लूजन है। फॉर एग्जांपल ऑफ डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग इज ऑल वुमेन ऑफ द एज अबव 60 years आर ग्रैंड मदर्स, सीटा इज 65 years, therefore सीटा इज अ ग्रैंड मदर। So, artificial intelligence. So, our topic covers now because it has been 16 minutes and I said you that the video should be 15 minutes only. But I gave you an extra minute because it is a. I will start the next topic in next video. Thank you for watching my video. This is the part 2 and the earlier part was the part 1 and the next part that I would create will be part 3 and will be cover the most important information in part 3. I would not explain everything, but I would only explain the highlighted or the most important. So thank you for watching my video. Tata, bye.